starting our first leg of the trip. Tanner's tires are a little poochies. We're gonna get a little air in them, make sure we're good for the trip. I already checked trailer tires. Rat rod tires are good. Shows we're supposed to get to the hotel at like 2 in the morning. We haven't even left yet, so you know those always go up too. So we'll probably get there pretty late, but as long as we can get a couple hours at the hotel, it's better than nothing. Rat rod's doing good. I got better turbo covers this time, so we're better. Now that we got turbo covers, then it won't rain, so we're good. Headed to Florida. Dude, every gas station, you'll learn that every gas station that we're at, you'll get compliments. Yeah, 15, 16 hours to Florida. We're gonna break it up in 2 days, so we're gonna try to make it to Alabama tonight. One sec here. Oh, dude, good thing I freaking went to go do that, brother. Yeah. I just wanted to do the whole, that ain't going nowhere, but it was going somewhere. Come on. Stupid ratchet. That ain't going nowhere. Well, I tend to be really good at doing this. Yeah. We're running her on fumes here. We got a little bit of C16 back here. Oh my God. Most expensive fill up ever, but I would rather pull off where we can actually pull off and put fuel in. Can't believe I wasn't paying attention to the fuel gauge. Oh boy. At least we have something to put in here. Truck's gonna never have ran so good in its life. If anybody knows the stretch in Louisiana where there's that bridge that goes over the swamp for like 10 to 15 miles, that's where we're at. There's no shoulder and it's just 2-lane bridge and it's sketchy, so I did not want to run out of gas on this.
Can you open the bleeder?
Yeah. There we go. All right, well, we're back on the road. That bumped us up a tiny bit. Hopefully we'll make it to the next gas station. That is the best looking gas station I've ever seen in my life. I know your truck. I know your truck. Oh, well, fuel, that's all good. No problem. We're gonna go ahead and fill up that other gas can full of gas. That way, if I decide to do this again, we'll have some sort of shit. We got 4 choices here.
I don't know what any of it means.
We were just driving and I ended up watching a show on Netflix while we were driving. I mean, I wasn't watching Netflix while I was driving, but I was watching the show and I just kind of spaced off and I went by a gas station. I'm like, I wonder how much gas we have. I looked down, oh, none, okay. So then I was like, okay, well, I can maybe turn around. No, like if you know the 2 bridges on I-10 going either way in Louisiana, you know that there's no like leaving, there's no exit, there's no nothing. So when I had that one exit to pull over, I'm like, I'm gonna put some C16 in here just because I did not want to run out. Like if I ran out on that bridge, it would have been so dangerous. I would have been in the middle of the freeway. So yeah, bad move on my part. This truck stop has a tiger. Wow. There you are. All right, we're all loaded up. Taking off from the hotel. Next stop, Freedom Factory, baby. Every time.
How's it going?
What's up?
Feeling nervous?
Oh my god, I hate how nervous I get. I get so much bad nerves. Hopefully we just go out there, pop the tires, do what we need to do, get off the pad, collect that money, get that trophy, and get the hell home. We'll see what happens.
Small block 350, twin turbo rat rod with nitrous. This guy can really pull it down on burnout here. He keeps under control. All clear on the burnout side. Here comes the rat rod. YouTube in the rat rod, make some noise.
fucked up.
Finished up, the rat rod's loaded up, Tanner's getting her strapped down. We're gonna go ahead and start getting to the hotel and just kind of be done for the night. Everything went really okay, honestly. I don't want to be a Debbie Downer. I really just want to enjoy going to these contests. I had a lot of fun, and that's really all that matters. We got stuff to work on. I really got to improve on a couple things, but we'll go over that more. We'll do a build video or an assessment video of the rat rod when we get back home. But for now, thank you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. We'll see you in the next one.